Well, welcome to everybody. I hope that maybe sometime in the future I have a chance to meet you face-to-face. I've been teaching for quite a while at the University of California, Berkeley, mostly entry-level chemistry, and I really, really love teaching, and I really care deeply about the success of the students. And over time, especially earlier in my career, I was finding that a lot of the students were not getting as much out of the class as I would like them to get. And that led me to start to think more about teaching and learning. I started to do research in the area of chemistry education, and I found that working at the college level didn't give me the insights that I really wanted. And I turned then to the high school level, where I found great partnerships with high school teachers and with high school students. We got an NSF grant, National Science Foundation grant, to develop this curriculum and tested it in lots of classrooms, got lots of wonderful feedback from teachers and students, and were able to put together this curriculum. In addition, I think it might be useful for you to know that I was part of the NGSS physical science team, and I've also spent quite a number of years helping the College Board with the AP Chemistry redesign. Next slide. So just to give you a quick snapshot of Living by Chemistry, what we really want to achieve with this curriculum is to shift the pedagogy from one in which the teacher is exclusively standing in front of the students and create many more interesting activities and guided inquiry to engage the students. We want to put an emphasis on conceptual understanding, and we're really hoping that the way that we put the teacher materials together, that it really supports you as a teacher to have a foundation for what you might do in your classroom, and that allows you to focus more attention not on developing a lesson for tomorrow, but actually taking a lesson and seeing how it works specifically with your students and how to modify that student for the success of your students. So the curriculum, as you see on this slide, is divided up into 6 thematic units. The first 2 units are about matter and structure. The third and fourth are about first physical change and then chemical change, and then we get into energy and finish with a very brief introduction to equilibrium. Notice our nice titles, Alchemy, Smells, Weather, Toxins, Fire, Showtime. We chose those because we wanted to get the students engaged right away. What's a fire? Does everything burn? If you have a penny and you turn it into gold, did you really do that? Are you going to become wealthy all of a sudden because you know some secret? How do you smell things? What's happening in your nose? How does the stuff get into your nose?